Value compression is an outcome of the limitations of the materials we use to draw realistic images. In the real world, there is a wide range of values which is impossible to get from graphite, chalk, charcoal, paint, or any medium, even digital. So we have to compress our value range, and the consequence of that is the interval between any two values in our drawing or painting will be smaller compared to reality. Value compression also helps to get better contrast and express bright lights. If the subject matter has a larger value range than your medium can express, you need to compress values somewhere in the range. Value compression can be done top down, compress values at the dark end of the value range, bottom up, compress values at the lighter end of the range, linear, here values are compressed evenly throughout the range and at both ends of the range. If you have got any value from this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more.